today I will show you how I made this Moringa hair grower hair thickening shampoo. Okay guys, so let's start making this Moringa hair thickening shampoo. We are going to make a 1 liter batch, by the way. And first thing we need is SLES gel or sodium lauryl ether sulfate. Then we're going to add some EDTA powder and then some citric acid. And industrial salt. Then we're just gonna mix them all together. Then we will slowly add distilled water. Then we're going to add cocoa betaine. Cocoa betaine helps reduce irritation and makes the surfactant milder. Then the next thing we're going to add is Sidea. Sidea stands for cocamide diethanolamine or diethanolamine, and this is a bubble enhancer. Then we're going to put the preservative, which is CMIT or chloramethyl isothiazolinone, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's starting to thicken now. Then we're going to add CTC or cetrimonium chloride. Cetrimonium chloride is a detangler that helps smooth hair cuticle, and also a hair conditioner that reduces frizz and add slips and silkiness to the hair. Then we're going to add polyquaternium 7. Polyquaternium 7 is also a hair conditioner, and it makes the hair smoother and easier to comb, and also helps improve shine. Next thing we're going to add is hydrolyzed keratin for hair repair. Hydrolyzed keratin repairs damaged hair and also strengthen hair by making them less prone to damage. It also helps repair hair from chemical and heat damage due to bleaching, coloring, rebonding, and daily use of blow or heat drying or hair dryer. It also adds shine and smoothness and improves moisture retention. And then our star ingredient, and that would be the moringa extract. Moringa extract promotes hair growth and strengthens hair and reduces breakage. Also nourishes dry and damaged hair and helps reduce dandruff and itchy scalp. Now we're going to put the optional ingredient, which is a pearlizer. It's just going to make the shampoo looks glittery. So let's just add pearlizer. Look, it's going to make it look more commercial. Then we're going to add a scent. I'm going to use a sweet pea fragrance oil. And lastly, we're going to add some color, which is also optional. You can use any green water soluble that you have. This is what I'm using. Just there's no specific measurement for this. This is optional as well. So just put, for me I just want to put a little because I don't want it to be too greenish. Just a few drops of green water soluble dye will do. Then all we have to do is wait for the bubbles to disappear, or they call it curing time, for 24 to 48 hours. Then we will come back and pour this shampoo. But I just want you to see how thick it is now. This is what it looks like at the moment, and then I'll show you what it looks like after 24 to 48 hours. So after 48 hours, this is what it looks like. The bubbles have disappeared, and look, it's so thick, thicker than honey, or very, very close to the consistency of honey. Now we're just going to transfer this to the 100 ml bottles.